Oh, hello. This is awkward. Scott Brennan, who illustrated me, did so as a greater bird of paradise in flight. Now, his brother Noah, who was doing the animation, said in a text, and I quote, "This program can make things squish and wiggle," end quote. But he can't make a pair of drawn wings like these flap, so here I am, flying without moving, like some kind of feathered glitch in the Matrix. Flying is what birds do. Birds fly. If you're not flying, are you really a bird? Look at penguins. They're embarrassing. Penguin is from the Latin words for epic failure. I'm a failure.
Please support us by following our Facebook page and by contributing on Kickstarter.com.